How to accept friend request in PUBG. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. If you are ready to team up with friends in PUBG Mobile, then here is how to accept friend request so that you can squad up and have fun. First of all, launch open PUBG application on your device and make sure you are in the main lobby screen. Now, go ahead and click on the friends icon on the left hand side, this one over here, and it will expand this friends tab, from where you need to click on add friend at the bottom. Once you're inside this add friend tab, go to the bottom right corner and tap on add friend once again. Now, if you have got any friend request, it will be here on this request list. From here, you can agree someone's friend request. If you want to be friends with them, click on agree. If you don't want to be friends, then you can click on ignore. To accept the friend request, select agree, and you have successfully accepted a friend request in PUBG Mobile. Once accepted, they'll appear in your friend list. You can then invite them to matches or squad up. So that's how you easily accept friend request in PUBG Mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.